Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Port Royal Street and we're going to look at the Tower Street Correctional Facility. That's the prison that we're looking at straight ahead. Now this prison was built hundreds of years ago, and it turns out that an inspection was done after the earthquake that happened last year, and it was found that the prison is not safe. A lot or a few other buildings have extensive damage, and the recommendation was that some of the structures were to be demolished and rebuilt. Regarding the Tower Street, the ministry said the assessment revealed that the aged stone wall buildings exhibit exterior cracks which were made worse by the earthquakes and heavy rains in October and November of 2023. Additionally, the natural wear and tear from their status as the oldest correctional facility in operation, combined with soil settlement, have contributed to the visible impact on these structures. That's a report from the ministry. So, months after section of Kingston's maximum security facility sections of Kingston's maximum security facility were declared an immediate danger to inmates and staff, prisoners are still being housed in the compromised areas. So basically they don't have anywhere to move these prisoners. This is a maximum security prison. And unfortunately in Jamaica, they have a lot of demand for these prisons. So the structure is old. Now this brings up another question that has been asked for a very long time. This is prime real estate. This is downtown Kingston. This area has been redeveloped, and a lot of people say it's time for the prison to go. The government even went as far once to look into it, and it's going to be very expensive to move the prison. I think everybody is in agreement that the prison is going to have to be moved one day. But now that the prison is damaged, not all of it, just some sections, the call is going to come again or there's going to be a lot of discussion about, do you fix the prison or do you move it? The problem with moving it though is the cost. It's going to be very expensive to build a prison, but the value that you get from this land, I mean, you can put up so many high-rise buildings overlooking the Kingston Harbor. It's definitely worth it. Alright, so we're going to give you some details now. So some buildings were red flagged for immediate danger to inmates and staff. A structure considered red flagged requires immediate demolition and reconstruction. It said occupants should be relocated during that process. And then some buildings were yellow rated. Yellow rated buildings were flagged for urgent repairs, though occupants may remain in place and remedial work done with caution. Alright, so guys, what do you think the government should do about this? Now, this is the oldest prison in Jamaica. I think it was built in the 1800s. If you look at the wall, I mean, I don't even know if this wall has steel in it. It's brick. But the prison is functional. So, guys, what do you think they should do with this prison? Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Have a good day.